Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Abdul Aziz. I'm student from Trilogy University and my major is accounting. Today, I want to tell you about the COVID-19 situation in Indonesia. Also, I made the video to complete the middle English exams. Coronavirus has infected almost all countries. At present, more than 9,100 cases have been reported from all over the world, according to Worldometers. Indication of infections are visible, some are mild, some even show no symptoms at all. Symptoms to watch out over are fever, coughing, and shortness of breath. The symptoms usually appear between 2 until 14 days after exposure to the virus. COVID-19 first spread in Wuhan in late December. The spread of this virus is very fast, so several countries have confirmed exposure to COVID-19, and WHO stated that COVID-19 is a global pandemic with a mortality rate of around 3.4%. In Indonesia, the first case of COVID-19 occurred in early March 2020. At the time, only 2 people were infected. A few weeks later, the COVID-19 case jumped sharply. This is because COVID-19 can spread through unprotected droplets and contacts. As of 31 March 2020, there were 7090 cases in Indonesians with 15.8 positive data, 170 died, and 112 were declared cured. At the moment, the positive city of Jakarta in COVID-19 is 897 cases. The Indonesian government has done many ways to reduce the spread of COVID-19 by instructing social distance, freeing up learning activities, limiting operational hours for public transport, and even spraying disinfection in each region. We must realize that government's policies will not function if there is no self-awareness. COVID-19 is not an ordinary flu virus. COVID-19 can mutate faster and can infect anyone. Every person infected has a cause and some does not. Therefore, follow government's policies. If you cannot stay at home, keep your distance from others. Wear, wear a mask when it hurts. Keep your mouth shut when sneezing and wash your hands diligently. Don't panic with this virus. If we can implement government's regulations well, then we will all able protect it and protect from COVID-19. If you're experiencing symptoms of COVID-19, immediately see a doctor. If you are positive COVID-19, remain optimistic that you will recover. The cure rate of other countries is higher than mortality rate. This virus has become a world problem. In fact, the economy throughout the world had declined dramatically. So, let's work together against the COVID-19 virus. Stay at home, leave the house if in an emergency. Stay optimistic that this outbreak will soon pass. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Thank you.